What up, YouTube? I got the tiburon right here. I got my two hands. I got a new camera. If you guys don't know, I'll see I can actually record it without my phone. Usually I have my phone with me. It's like doing the videos. Let's start playing with this. This is the 2005. If you guys don't know, you're new to the channel. I got my what's it called? Hood dump. The hood dump exhaust. So I'm gonna start taking up the hood off right now. I'm gonna think about putting this here, but there for now, to see how it might be working well. I'm gonna start taking all this stuff off. I think this is a 10, and I'm gonna disconnect the pipe, not the pipe, wideband sensor. Disconnect that, probably disconnect the 22 right there. Let's start taking this thing apart. Got the 22 millimeter right here. Disconnect that. There she goes. I'm just gonna put this in the side. Oh, God damn it. Alright. Start tapping in with the hammer. Get that down pipe out. V-bands out. Just go underneath the car. Start taking from back to front. Let's see. Air ride's on. And I'm gonna start taking all this out. Alright, I got the back one here already taken out. I'm gonna start taking out the mid pipes, down pipe. I'm gonna raise up the front right now. Alright, so where my resonator was at, they might just reuse this, cut it right here, and then add the for the hood dump. I'm just gonna go. I have another O2 bong at my house, so that's why I'll be doing it. And you can see right here, it's been scraping. I really like the vibrant resonator, actually clean up the sound better. But I'm gonna tomorrow or another day, I'm gonna start taking the hood off and start cutting this out and start welding this part out. Probably just cut this part right here and add right here or something. But the welds looks like they actually hold up pretty well. So